The Nazca lines are a very strange and mysterious set of geoglyphs, basically these massive drawings and lines that can only be seen from thousands of feet in the sky. The only problem is that when they were created, we didn't have airplanes. And so it's always been theorized that maybe these lines and drawings of animals and such were created as a welcoming sign or indicator for off-world beings to see.
This Stargate was activated by the help of a golden disc.
Today on Ancient Aliens. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epicconfections. Today I am so honored to be joined in collaboration with one of my favorite YouTube channels, Secureteam. Today we're going to be making an awesome flying saucer. Let's do it! Go! So to start, I already pre-made my Rice Krispies. The recipe is in the description below. So I just used a salad bowl and I molded my Rice Krispies right in there and it gave me this really cool saucer shape. So this is going to be the bottom of the cake and I'm going to be carving out a 14-inch round on top. So I baked off two 14-inch round white cakes for this. I'm not going to level at the top because I want to have that round shape. So I'm just going to flip over my flying saucer. And I'm just going to carve around it. Perfect! So, I find it easier, and I should have told you this from the start, if you put something round in the middle and then carve away from there, then you're going to get really nice even edges. So once you're happy with the shape, I'm just going to crumb coat the top layer, put it in the freezer to chill. I'm going to cover the bottom layer in fondant. So next I'm going to be covering the bottom of the UFO in gray fondant. I already pre-colored my gray fondant, which took me way too long. I hate coloring fondant. It's just a pain in the ass, you know? Ain't nobody got time to color fondant. So we're going to trim it off about a ½ inch below the bottom of the actual Rice Krispies because we're going to overlap the fondant when we turn it around. And there you have one top of a flying saucer. So I pulled the bottom of the UFO out of the freezer. I'm just going to paint it. I have some vodka here and a little bit of silver dust. I'm just going to mix it together. I went ahead and I made a half circle with a soup ladle. Just filled it with chocolate, threw it in the freezer, and there you go. That is the top of your alien spacecraft. Looks like a nice nipple. So I just cut out a couple really small thin triangles And I just set them up on top of the fondant here before I glue them down to make sure they're all lined up. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue them down. So next I'm going to take some inspiration from the very mysterious Nazca lines in Peru and draw a few of them on the panels of the top of the UFO. Doesn't that look awesome? I'm doing my own sound effects. No? Okay. So next I'm going to stick on my LED lights. So what I did is I took some LED lights, I kind of disassembled them, and I put them in a little plastic baggie. So everything will be protected. The cake is actually going to sit right on top of here, which is another reason why I have it in the plastic. And I'm going to go ahead and put some buttercream around the edge and just stick it to the side. It still works. Yay! So I'm gonna set a whole scene with this UFO. So I just got 2 black Bristol boards from the dollar store and just put some white dots all over it to make it look like the sky. On a full slab board, I'm gonna make it look like grass and have some horses there. And then I'm gonna stack my cake on a long glass vase, and it's gonna set a whole scene and look like a cow is being abducted. Let's do it. So I've assembled all of my farm animals and I put my glass vase over top of a little LED light and I piped some grass around it so you couldn't see it. And I'm going to go right ahead and stack my UFO cake.